Assalamualaikum, this is Hamid Mahtab. Welcome to another unboxing video. Recently I ordered another diecast model car from Diecast Collector Bangladesh group, and one of our beloved Boro Bhai who actually managed me to get this car, so thank you so much Bhai. And personally I had a crush on this car from my childhood, so that's why I ordered this car. Today I'm going to unbox this car and show you each and every details of this car and also review it. So without wasting any time, let's go and unbox the car. So it's Mclaren F1 GTR from Kinsmart. Here you can see the Diecast company sticker from Netherlands. Let's open it. Pretty much good in condition. This car comes with perfect and astonishing finish with glossy color effect. It's a alloy car. Now let me show you its model verification. Here you can see its scale number 1/34 and model verification from Kinsmart. Detailing was given with smooth and perfect finish. The thing that I like most about the tail portion of this car has got some extra attention because of its perfect detailing, which is almost real. You can see the quality of color with no defect, and you can see it's inside the engine compartment, detailed pretty well. Now let's see the view of its front. About its front portion, it's come with outstanding headlights and also dive plans. Detailing has given as much as possible. Let's open the door and see the interior of it. The steering wheel and the seat, which is given quite good with black matte finish. Here I like the interior, and detailing has given perfectly. Lots of perfection in a small area. You can see. And there is also a Mclaren sign on the windshield. You can see. Here it is. I definitely like the car because of its perfect detailing, and I personally like this car because of its finishing and product quality, and each of these small detailings are given so perfectly. So that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you don't subscribe to my channel yet, please do subscribe to my channel, and to my next video I will come up with another unboxing video. So till then, stay safe, stay tuned. Assalam.